seen over the past few days that the Samajwadi Party, in fact, has attacked any bit of opposition they've received for suspending honest officer Durga Shakti Nagpal.
And now they have taken it to another level by taking action against a citizen for posting comments on social networking site against the SP leader and Minister Azam Khan. The big question is there absolutely no freedom of expression in Akhilesh's Uttar Pradesh?
They have attacked and rebutted every bit of opposition to their controversial move to suspend Officer Durga Shakti Nagpal. And it seems even outside politics and on the social media, one cannot really have an opinion on it. Meet Kanwal Bharti, a writer who posted comments against the powerful SP leader and Minister Azam Khan on Facebook.
जनता बोलेगी तो उसका वही असर करेंगे. लोकतंत्र है, लोकतंत्र में बोलने की आज़ादी नहीं है, लिखने की आज़ादी नहीं है, तो ये कैसा लोकतंत्र है? हम फेसबुक पे कोई टिप्पणी करते हैं, दो आदमी आते हैं सुबह को, हमको नहाने तक की कपड़े तक की पहनने की मोहलत नहीं देते, बनियान पजामा में खींच के ले जाते हैं.
The Rampur police, which arrested Kanwal Bharti, has accused him of causing communal tension through his opinions posted on the website.
इसमें एक प्रार्थना पत्र मिला था, उसमें ये आरोपित किया गया था कि फेसबुक पर कुछ लोग एक विशेष समुदाय की भावनाओं को भड़काने का प्रयास कर रहे हैं और कुछ गलत तथ्यों को उजागर कर रहे हैं, तो उसमें उनके खिलाफ मुकदमा दर्ज हुआ और मुकदमे के आधार पर एक व्यक्ति कमल भारती की गिरफ्तारी हुई है, जिनको न्यायालय में पेश किया जा रहा है.
And if this was not enough, the writer was booked under Section 153 of the IPC, which means he tried to disturb public peace. But why has the Akhilesh government become so intolerant even to the opinion of normal citizens?
It's not just suspended IAS Durga Nagpal who is at the receiving end from the state government. Brazen act of arresting a writer for his comments on a social networking site is a clear proof of government getting intolerant to the voices of discontent even from the people at large. Pranshu Mishra in Lucknow for Times Now.